Hey, dickhead, it's me, Goku. Get up, motherfucker. You want to reach God status or be a bitch in bed? God, what a buzzkill. Come on, man, get up. Let's pick up some honeys and get fucking smashed. I know I'm a god now. That doesn't mean I ain't got time to get my ass on at the club. Let's get freaky. I'd be slipping it in a honey. 1 inch. Like a 1-inch punch to Frieza. Man, what a party pooper. Do you want a god as a wingman? I'm a hell of a time to bring around. Aight, I see how it is. Whatever you say, broski. Have fun snoozing your day away. Peace.